Okay, so you want a white one?
No, I want,
A black one?
yeah, with skin flush out.
Okay, it depends what size. Okay, so we want to get 2 of the black Vice Grip Garage t-shirts.
Okay.
Do you have like 2XL or XL at least?
You have
Do you have? I'll take 2 of those.
Thank you. That's the second one, right?
Yep, yep. And then we want 3 of the hats, right? Okay.
And all of Dad's money, right?
Right, all Dad's money. That's right. Can I get one of the one Independence? Yeah, in a medium. Yep.
Awesome, and then Jess will take it out.
Great, thank you. Yep, thank you. Okay. Hi. Emma. Are you excited? Get your shirt so he can sign it, okay? You want to go by it? Your biggest fan, I think, is here. You want to go over and stand by him and take a picture? Oh, look good.